Welcome back to another lawn update. It's going to show you some of my nice clean edging here, and this lawn is almost a week after I applied my Milorganite fertilizer. I've got some really thin areas in the lawn here that I'm hoping will fill out when the weather starts getting warmer and sunnier, and hopefully that fertilizer is going to kick it up a notch and kind of stimulate some growth. And I just tried to do some little things like clean up around the edges and make it nice and manicured looking, like a golf course or sports field. So that's the front yard right now, almost a week after its first fertilizer in probably ever. Now moving on to the backyard, same kind of deal. Cleaned up some of these borders, edges, manicured that, and I kind of screwed up the edges here. I'm gonna have to redo it at some point after I let it grow out a bit, but as you can see, I just wanted to round this out and give it a nice defined look, and then it just kind of goes really bad here with these bare spots. And I have also applied my Milorganite to a section of my lawn here. I'll show you in just a bit, but some of these bare spots here I add a little bit extra. You're not really going to burn it with my Milorganite because it's organic and it's pretty safe on lawns. So for right now, I've aerated the entire lawn, but a third of this lawn here, from here all the way to the right, I have hit with fertilizer just today, which is the 29th, almost the end of January. So I'm just going to do like a little comparison here. Just hit fertilizer with a third of the lawn and see if there is a noticeable difference after a couple weeks. Again, I'm still kind of working on this lawn, but I'm trying to define these edges and clean it up a bit. And there are a lot of weeds I got to still work on, but bordering is getting there. There are some thin spots, but I kind of like this. These edges. I kind of have to redo these at some point, but you get an idea, basic idea. This backyard lawn's a little bit more neglected, and it's going to take a little bit more work than the smaller front yard. But I'm up to the challenge, so if you're interested in monitoring this project, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll get you back out here again with another update. Thanks for watching. Bye.